Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my latest purchase. This is from a brand called Parfois. So if you want to find out what I have bought, please keep on watching. So now, this is a new box with ribbons. I'm really loving this ribbon box openings. This really is fun, right? So this one is another Parfois bag. This one is, I'm not sure if this is called the mouth. I'm not sure. Let's see on the inside tag. This is a nylon bag. I just wanted to have a small nylon bag that if you place your item, it's still not heavy. Lightweight bags are really lovely to carry, right? It doesn't hurt your shoulders like those heavy bags. You don't have anything yet inside and still it's really heavy already. So this one is, I think it has the tag. Here's the tag. This is it's a removable straps. So this is a sling bag, and it's still called mouth, but I think it's just a nylon sling bag with many pockets. So here you can see one on a silver hardware. It has this pocket on the front. The inside lining is the one that got me here. It's like, it's not maroon, I think it's burgundy's beautiful burgundy color. It's a fabric interior lining. So we have one pocket on one side. You can probably put some of your keys or your lipstick. Same color on one side. You can also put some coins. You can easily get your coins in one of the pockets. Another pocket on one side, same. This beautiful burgundy. I'm not sure if it's burgundy or if it's wine. The zipper pull is leather, and it has this two circle where you place the strap, and then smooth and buttery zippers. So inside you have the Parfois embossed, the logo embossed with this beautiful silver zipper pull with one zippered pocket also inside. And so this is the strap. So no more inside, it's just this tag. Let me show you the tag. I think I can, it's called mouth. I'm not sure if that's the color. Some more, I think it's the color, the mouth. Now let's place this strap. With so let's see. So the strap looks like this. It's also leather, and with this. This is a very cute type of lock. I really think it looks very fashionable, these types of lock. I couldn't make it focus, so sorry about that. So let's place. How come I couldn't get it to open? I don't want to. It's hard. Yeah, okay. Then you put it on one side. Okay. And then you slide it to one of these. I'm really having a hard time putting it because it's new. And then you have to put it in the, like a button lock. It's really very nice looking. So now I was able to place both the handles. It's quite nice that it's hard to place because it would be very durable. It will not separate or fall off easily. So, and besides it is new, that's why it's really very hard to place because it's still new. So this is how the bag looks like. It's just a small one, and the first time that I had a nylon with this cute pink color. I really love the cute pink color of this one, and especially I always wear white, so this looks very nice on white. Baby pink, like very cute pink, and most especially this one is really looks very nice on the pink. They go well with each other. So this is perfect if you going out on an errand, and I think this will not hurt your shoulder because it's really it doesn't weigh anything. It's really very lightweight. So I'm really happy about this purchase, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and always thank God for the blessings. Bye.